friends, let's look at the fourth constant, string constant. As such, we will not be specifying any size of this particular string constant. At the end of this session, definitely we will understand why we have not written any size, as we used to always write with integer as 2 bytes, float as 4 bytes, character as 1 byte. Basically, how to identify string constant. Sometimes the input might not be a single character. For example, if I ask your name, recollect your name is not a single character. If I ask your college name is not a single character. If I ask your building name, it's not a single character. Probably the wing might be a single character, or the type of building might be a single character. But the contents which I described earlier, they all are a set of characters. A set of characters can be called as string constant. For example, suppose if I write A, B, C, will it be called as a string constant? No, unless until it is prescribed as per the definition. It says a set of characters enclosed in 2 closing double quotes is said to be a string constant. Now I have a set of characters, I have to enclose this within 2 closing double quotes. A set of characters which are enclosed within 2 closing double quotes, we call this as a string constant. So, can I have the size of the string constant? Yes, we do have a size of string constant, but this is not constant for all the constants, all the examples which we write. If I write 10 integer numbers, all those 10 integer numbers will have 2 bytes. If I write 10 float numbers, all those float numbers will be 4 byte. If I write 10 character constants, all those character constants will be 1 byte. But if I write 10 different examples, they will be of different size. So the size of string constant is always equals to the number of characters in a string plus 1 byte. So in this example, I have 3 characters, which means that the size is 4 bytes. Suppose if I write an example as say RS space 10, rupees 10. Is this a valid string constant? Yes. In C language, this is again a valid string constant, which says that it will have total 5 characters. Now you might wonder where the 5th character appear from. R is 1 character, S is 1 character, and blank space is again a character. Rules of C language says that blank space is a valid character which will occupy 1 byte of memory, and then 1 and 0 you might spell it as 10. Do remember that this is a part of a string. When it is a part of string, we will not call this as a number, we will call them as character 1 and character 0. So I have total 5 characters in this, hence the space which is occupied for this is 6 bytes of memory, 5 plus 1. So summarize this, string constant size is always equals to number of characters in a string plus 1. Now you can accommodate the entire set of characters. For example, let me write a name. I'll say Anand Bali. Yes, you guessed it right, this is my name. So my name can be said as a best example for string constant. Now which contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a blank space 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, which is 11 bytes. We can accommodate these set of characters as a string constant. So a blank space is again a constant itself. Now question comes, what that additional byte is used for? For that, let's go into the memory. Assume that I have a storage space of say 50 bytes, which is used to store a set of 50 characters. By default, all these locations are filled with some unknown value called as garbage values. They are filled with some garbage values. They can be A, they can be X, they can be Y, they can be 1, they can be 0. You presume any contents in this, they are called as garbage. Suppose if I say that I had to store A, B, C. If I say A, B, C, and let's put some garbage values at this place, say P, Q, 1, 5, 7, 8. Let's assume one character at this place, say 2. Now looking at this memory, if I ask you what is the content which I have stored, definitely you will not be able to notice what exactly the contents are until unless I spell that is ABC. I have A, B, C, 2, P, Q, 1, 5, 7, 8. What your system does, your system will accommodate one additional byte. and place a escape sequence called as /0. So this is the additional byte which your system consumes. Anything which appears before /0 is actually a input, and anything which appears after /0 is your garbage or a junk input. So your /0 is used as a identification for input and garbage value. We call this as a null character, which is sometimes identified as a string termination character. So when I say ABC, that additional byte was for null character. When I say rupees 10 or RS space 10, I said it as 6 bytes because that additional byte was again for /0. So /0 basically used for identifying the end of the string, and in memory it is used to differentiate between the valid input and the garbage input. So summarize one more time the definition of string constant. It says that a set of characters enclosed within two closing double quotes, a valid string constant. You can place alphabets, you can place digits, you can place special characters in that, and size of string constant is always equals to the number of characters in a string plus 1 byte. Thank you.